Hi everyone, welcome to the video. My name is George Shamoun, and on this platform and other social media channels and my website that's being under construction still, I share content about software I use and software as a service. So if you are interested, subscribe to the channel and feel free to add any comments or any request about certain topics that you'd like me to discuss and explain. And I want to direct your attention to my new platform. It's not complete yet, but I have certain courses on it. It's if you go to onlinecourses.georgekc.com, I have a course about Linux commands, and I do a coaching about Linux and website setup, and also I have a free videos you can download when you join my newsletter. If you go to downloads.georgekc.com, you can enter your email and name, and by that you'll be on my email list. And the first link you'll get after the in a welcome message, you get free videos about Linux and other software. So if you are interested, you have three options here. You can get on my newsletter for the free videos. You can join my online courses, and please don't go to my website. It's a mess. It's still being under construction. So if you type georgekc.com. So what I did, I redirected two subdomains from the website. One to PayHip, where I host the course, and to my another one to my newsletter to Aweber, where I host my CRM, which is the list of subscribers. So with this long-winded introduction, I want to thank you again and have a great day or a great evening. It depends where you are. So long.